Let's learn some shapes in Kiribati. You can sing along with the echo. Mronron, ron, ron, baok, baok, surenko, surenko, teas, teas. Well done. Shall we try that again? Ron, 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 baok, baok, surenko, surenko, teas, teas. Okay, now it's your turn to do the echo. We'll leave a space for you. You ready? Ron, ron, baok, surenko, teas. Yay! Let's do it one more time, all together. You ready?